This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi A6 stock number 6662. This ran from the 7th 2011 to the 3rd 2014. It has a 4N13 1.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a 4N13 1.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no damage. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door, left rear door, left rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left hand tail light, rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front door curve, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,